In this short version of the video, I'm going to show you how to paint the fur edges. Now you can go into our new and improved learning center to watch the full video. This channel is all about learning how to draw and paint with relaxation. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Okay, I'm gonna paint a little bit, like even a little bit brown the color. I'm gonna put the top over here. Now, if I'm gonna do that without stopping, the top over here coming to the side over here, and there's the here. Okay, like that on the side. I do it a little bit faster. Make sure I have enough paint, right? And I'm gonna have a little bit more color. I'm gonna just add some yellow color in here, making sure the water consistency is very even, like that. And I'm gonna add some darker color for the texture. And outside over here, I have a little bit red over here, like this. Just look at me. So I have something a little bit changed. Looks like a very soft background. Okay, now I'm going to do that immediately to start do a little lifting. Okay, look at me. So I'm going to do a little bit over here, the top over here. I'm going to have some coming up, some here, a little bit soft. And then I'm also going to have even a little bit water and coming in over here. I can see a little bit softer over here, and start doing some lifting when it's still wet. And the edge, and I'm gonna even have a little bit water, push that out. It's gonna push the color around it and pushing it outward. There will be another technique to create that the feeling, like look like the hair pushing outside. I'm gonna leave a little bit more water over here. So the water will push the color going to the other direction. So I'm gonna put it over here too. Just wet the edge. And I'm gonna come back to the top over here to create some feeling of the hair. Now I'm gonna just start using this brush. Take a look and let go all the wet, because it's already enough wet over here. Now I'm gonna take a look at in here. Look, I'm gonna start lifting some hair. That's good. Like that. Start lifting. Okay, now I'm gonna come in over here and start doing a little lifting as well, seeing a little small hair. So because this is very easy to have the hair grouped together. And I'm gonna have a little bit lip, a little hair over here. So as long as it's the paper is not totally dry, like what I did in the other time, right on the edge. You can see the edge over here looks very nice. So I'm gonna have also a little lifting over here to have some hair coming out like this. There you go. Take a look at that. Nice. I'm gonna start lifting a little bit. So based on the foundation of the water pushing the color, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more indication. You see that? Just all you need to do is just let go the wet and come back over here, and then pushing it out, because the wet in the paint, it provide enough moisture for you to be able to do that. I'm gonna it clear a little bit more. So if you don't want to use this brush, or you don't want to add this brush to your toolbox, you just use this flat brush. That is fine, like that. You just need to train this brush a little bit better, make it a little bit sharp. And I'm gonna come back over here. This is still have the time. You can do that. See that? You can get the hair very nicely. So you can see the outside. We very much create the illusion of the soft hair. And then from here, you can add the just a little bit light brown color. I'm gonna have the top of the dark, like over here. And sometimes the timing is very important. You just have to finish one area to go to the other area. So this, the middle of the forehead, coming on this side, and then see the eye coming around. So I don't paint the eye right now. And then look at the ear. That's the nose over here. And then on the side over here, you can put the color showing the neck over here, like that. And you can come in here to soften this. The flat brush is still very good, can do most of the work. Just for little details, that this new brush maybe provides you some convenience, especially for a smaller painting. So continue training the flat brush. If it works for you, that will be great. Now I'm going to use the calligraphy brush and coming back over here and mix a little bit darker color. You have to get the blue color in to help you to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm going to come in over here. Here you go, the deeper area, and also the eye. You can put the eye over here. That's also deeper area. Right, and the shadow on this side. And the eye over here too. And also this is will be the thing over here on this side. Like that. And get a little bit cooler color on the lower eyelid, on the side of the face, and also the nose. Now here you go. You can have the water to help you. And this a little bit lower eyelid on this side. And then you come back to do the inside of the eye, much easier after this dry. And use the dry brush and create a feeling of the hair.